we're gonna get into this. We're gonna get into mullet man. So look, this video, it's about how I started with the mullet man, ended up here. That's not the end though, but it took a lot of mistakes to get from mullet man to this. It does end up better than this though. Real quick look, okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Let's take our time with this, okay? You know, I've been using a set of different techniques lately, and one of which is the clipper over comb, just because I don't know, I just wanted to try something different. I tend to like it a lot actually, just to kind of create that shape. Now, when it came to his type of hair, the type of comb that I used wasn't really the best type of comb that I should have used, should I say. And I ran into a lot of issues from A to B. It was a struggle. And C, you know, we kind of coasted that way. There was still a few things that I felt could have been done better in the overall haircut, but let's talk about A to B. Okay, so because he asked me to chop it off, I'm looking at this and thinking to myself, all right, you know, maybe we'll go with a comb over. I asked him, do you want to do a comb over? He said, maybe that should work. So when I get that, that's gonna make me think a little like, and now we're gonna have to experiment. Because I had enough time to do it, I was like, okay, we'll start with a comb over and see what happens. I need to talk to you about my comb. I broke it, but let's not focus on it so much. I was thinking, okay, if this doesn't work, we could do a slick back. And so I made the decision to not cut too much off. That's why I'm point cutting the ends. Most comb overs that I do are short. I cut it way shorter than this. But yeah, initially I started just point cutting. I did the vertical partings, and I mean, even watching this, I could tell that that nothing was gonna come from this but him saying no, let's try something else. But it's okay. It's almost like how I treat it with guards. You know, I try the higher guard instead of going lower, because we both know you can't put the hair back. So after that, I choose to dry the hair. I don't use any ends when I'm drying the hair. I get it to like 80-ish% dry, and then if I do want to put one of the Okay, bueno, mi gente. Remember when I said that I didn't really go for the right comb? This is where the struggle shows. As you can see, let's see a quick zoom in, and you'll notice that I'm having a hard time. Not the hardest, you know, I'm still finding the yes. And let's have a moment of silence for the end of the mullet man. As we continue on with this video, I'm still struggling, as you can see, with my clipper over comb. If I would have just picked a comb with wider teeth, this would have been a little bit easier. Or maybe if I would have just used a different technique, maybe if I would have done box graduation. I just feel like there was so much hair that he had around the sides, and because I already knew, or at this point, I'd even mentioned earlier actually, at this point, this is when I realized, when we both decided the comb over wasn't a go, and we went ahead and agreed on a slick back. And I don't remember if he mentioned that he had tried a slick back before, but I was confident that the slick back was gonna go for him, that it was gonna complement his face better. And yeah, as I'm creating the shape with the clipper over comb technique, it feels like it's starting to make sense. And I'm making sure I don't pass a certain point, because after you pass a certain point, the hair starts poking up, sprouting up. You want some weight on that hair. And yeah, actually this is the point where I realized we should go with a slick back. So I'm wetting the hair again, and I know that this time when I cut it, I choose a different method to cut it. I start with a horizontal parting. ¿Verdad? Mi gente, I must say, this vent brush that I'm using to add a little tension to the hair as I'm using the blow dryer, it comes in clutch. You know, having that tool right there, making sure that all the air coming out of that blow dryer is circulating even through the brush. I just feel that it saves you a little bit of time, because I feel with blow drying, you know, it could be a little bit of a hassle at times.
Produced by J Hits.
Again, guys, I don't do slick backs at all, like at all. I'm with the exception of Max, but I really truly believe, I think Max is you know what, I got appreciation for Max, man. Yo, shout out to my boy Max Maximilius. Oh my goodness. Okay, Fonz, figure it out. Okay, you struggling right there, but it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna figure this out. Oh my goodness. Oh, I could tell the clay made this much harder for me. Oh my God. You know what? I remember what it was too. Mullet man. Let's keep it real, mullet man. Your hair was a little dirty. I should have. We don't wash hair up in here. We got the bowl, but we don't normally like go out of our way to wash hair. And I want to do it. Actually, I just put up a little something to put the shampoo right above the shampoo bowl. It's an awkward spot. I might have to change it, but it's something. I have aspirations to wash hair. So a little, you know, more than what I do, but I want to switch it up. I want to level up, okay? Look, mi gente, I normally don't say much on how I feel on my hair, because as far as like if I'm really feeling it, and I know the back was a bit of a struggle, but I must admit that side view is serious. I could have done a little bit better job as far as like styling it, adding more tension in the front. I would have liked, man, but look at that side view though. Coño, mira eso. Yo, that is serious. And because he had that mullet for so long in the back, the back was white. Oh, and we got to clear that out. Hey, always make sure that you take out all the peach fuzz from the back of the neck. But look at that. Look at how Mullet Man used to look. Look at how Mullet Man used to look. Again, I could have done a better job styling it in the front and even blending it in the back. But it's still a great look for him. You're no longer the mullet man, you're the slick back man. And I don't know, guys, if you so happen to like this video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification button to, you know, for them days that I drop. It's not often right now, but it's gonna get better. If you're curious enough, click on some of these right here. But till then, mi gente, hasta luego, me fui.